Hello everyone. So in this video we will see that how we can assign and unassign the permission set using flow based on some criteria. Okay, so this is our flow scenario in which we have that if the user's profile is equal to sysadmin and the title contains manager, for example the title containing sales manager, marketing manager and all, so in that case the test permission set should be assigned. And if I update the title from sales manager to sales or some other value, but it is not containing manager string, it should unassign the permission set, or if the title is blank, in that case also the permission set should be unassigned. So let's see what we have created for this scenario. So I have created a flow in after scenario and whenever the record is created or updated. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to query that permission set is existing in the org or not. Okay, so in the first get records element, what we are doing, we are querying the permission set object and we are checking this that the name contains test is there or not. Okay, and only the first record we need, and we store the field values because we need that in other steps. Okay, so for me only one test permission set is existing, so I'm just using that. Maybe it could be different for you. Okay, so once we query the permission set, we check that it is returning the ID or not. Okay, so in the decision what we are checking, that the permission set ID is not equal to null. Okay, is null false means it is returning some ID. Okay, so it means our permission set is existing. So once we are sure that permission set exists, we need to get that profile is existing or not. So we are querying on the profile object. Okay, and I'm checking the profile name, and the same thing that we did for permission set, only first record we need, and we store some fields. Okay, and once we get the profile, we just see that it is returning the ID or not. So okay, this is the get record thing, and it is returning is null false. Is null false means it is returning some ID from the database. Okay, so now we have our permission set is already existing, our profile is already existing. So in my case I'm having sysadmin profile. In your case maybe you have some custom profile, so you can change the name here. Okay, so both the things are existing. Now what we need to do, okay, now what we need to do, we need to get the permission set assignment for the user. Okay, we need to get all, not all, we need to check that this permission set is assigned to this user or not. So for that we need to query the assignment. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are querying the records on the permission set assignment. Okay, and we are checking that the assignee ID equals to this user ID or not. Okay, and this permission set ID equals to the permission set that we query in the get records, in the first get records. Okay, in the first get records we query this test permission set, and now in this get record what we are checking, sorry, not this one, that for this user, okay, this user is the assignee ID and this permission set ID is test permission set ID. If it is, then we will go to next step. Okay, only the first record we need, and we are storing the field values for that. Okay, now we query the assignment. Now we check. Okay, in the yes condition what we are doing, if the record title is containing manager string, okay, here is the title, and if this title is having something sales manager or someone thing, in that case, plus if the profile ID is equal to the get profile ID. Get profile ID is what? Sysadmin profile ID. Okay, so this ID and this profile ID is same, plus permission set assignment currently is null true, because currently this user is not having any permission set, that test permission set is not there. Okay, so if it is containing manager, profile ID, sysadmin ID, and currently the permission set is not assigned. What we need to do? We need to create permission set assignment records. Okay, how many records we need to create? Only one, and we are saving some values for that. Okay, so what we did, we just give this user ID to the assignee ID and this permission set ID to the permission set ID field. That's it. Let me show you that thing. So currently nothing is there. Okay, I am updating this to sales manager. So as per yes conditions, if the record title containing manager, profile ID is equal to sysadmin ID, okay, and permission set assignment is false, currently it's false. Okay, what it should do, it should create records for the permission set assignment for this user. Okay, you can see permission set assignment is already done. Okay, now let's move on to the next scenario. For example, if I update this title from sales manager to sales, in that case, plus if I make it as a blank, in both the cases this permission set assignment should be false. It means this permission set should be gone as unassigned. So here in the no condition, what we are checking, the record title does not equal to manager, or the record title is blank. Okay, and permission set is already assigned. In that case, what we need to do, we need to delete records of what object? Permission set assignment. Okay, that we get in the get records. So in the get records, we save the automatically store all fields because we need the ID. We need the ID of the assignment. So we just directly pass that get permission set here, check permission set assignment here, and it is automatically deleting. So let's see if I update this to sales. See, permission set is already unassigned. Now let me change it to sales manager again. Okay, it is already assigned. Now I make it to blank because we have OR conditions, either the title is not containing manager or it is blank. See, permission set is already unassigned. So this is how we have created flow for this scenario. Okay, so in the next video, what we will do, currently we are going to each user and we are updating the title and all, and we are assigning the permission set. In the next video, what we will see, we will create a screen flow. Okay, and directly from that screen flow you can select the user and you can select the permission set from multiple permission set. Okay, from multiple permission set you can assign anyone. Okay, so if you guys don't want to see this complete video, I will attach this flow XML into the description, so you guys can directly download and directly deploy in your org, so it will save your time. So thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Just remember to like or maybe you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.